Congressman, the price of gold is down a bit this morning. How do you account for that?
Well, I think it's like other markets, too. Sometimes they go up and sometimes they go down. But I look at gold not on a weekly basis, but more long term, and it's a good measurement of value and value of currencies. So I think our current our current mess that we're in now really started in the year 2000, and when the NASDAQ burst. At that time, gold was, I think, $262. So I would say that gold did pretty good in the last decade. And I think we're still on track for the only tool that the Fed has and the government has is spending debt and printing money. And in the long term, that's very good for gold as a protector against lost value in currency. And it's going to continue, but that doesn't mean that gold might not drop a bit more.
Well, Congressman, you've appeared several times on this program, and I've always asked you the same question. You see real economic distress, but you said it's coming 2 or 3 years down the road. Have you speeded up your time frame a bit, bearing in mind what's been happening over the past week?
Well, I worry about that. I think we have months to prepare and be ready and condition people and prepare them for what we ought to change the system to. But no, I think they'll limp along. I think as long as they're buying Treasury bills and buying dollars, that's the last bastion, and there's no justification for it. Who wants to buy a Treasury bill for 10 years and take it out in 10 years and think they're going to have value? I don't think anybody believes that. It's just that there are so many dollars that they're parking those dollars there. If they're still resorting to us to help bail out Europe and Greece and the IMF, it's pretty amazing how resilient this can be. But if I were betting, I'm not saying, well, I don't think it's going to happen for 3 years, so I think this is a good time to buy stocks. That would be the last thing I would think. And so I've sort of prepared in my mind that we could have this bigger crisis. But I think we have this ongoing crisis. I've never believed we were in a bull market. I think we were in a bear market correction, and that's what it looks like it is. But I hope your question is sort of wrong, that we don't have it in 3 months. I hope we have 3 more years to prepare the people for what we have to do when we have a serious crisis.
Well, I hope you'll join us again, and we'll watch for this, what is going on. Always a pleasure. Congressman Ron Paul, thanks for joining us.
Thank you,
Much
George.
appreciated. I got to tell you.